Boosting conversion often feels like stumbling in the dark, making change, crossing your fingers, and hoping for something to work. The frustration comes when, after countless tweaks and redesign, the result gets worse every time. You invest time, effort, and resource, yet the needle barely moves. Every guess feels like a wasted shot, and that's the worst part. You're stuck, unsure if your next change will be another miss. But what if you didn't have to guess anymore? Imagine having a process that uncovers exactly what's wrong, revealing the real reason your conversion are stalling. No random fix, no more wasted efforts. Let's talk about the crucial step for full conversion rate optimization experience: test and implementation. If you haven't identified what's causing the low conversion rate in your store, be sure to check out this video linked in the description. It walks you through the crucial first step of recognizing the issue that need to be fixed for better conversion rate optimization. Now let's move forward with test and implementation, which is critical for improving your conversion rate optimization strategy. When creating a design to test, it's essential to ensure that it's technically feasible. While almost anything can be done in software, it's important to consider the development and design time, as well as the cost involved. In general, for better conversion rate optimization, I recommend to test one variable at a time when running an A/B test. Testing multiple variables simultaneously can make the analysis much more complex and harder to interpret. You can conduct A/B tests using tools like Intelligems and Optimizely, both of which are popular in the conversion rate optimization space. To ensure a reliable outcome in conversion rate optimization, it's essential to monitor your conversion rate consistently to test. Typically, a test splits traffic evenly, 50% for the control group and 50% for the new variant. By visualizing conversion rate on a graph, you get a clear picture of performance over time and can quickly identify if the test is going off track. If the test is poorly implemented, it can leak to screw data, which could harm both your conversion rate and your sales. Regularly checking the graph during the test can help you spot issue early and take corrective actions, keeping your optimization on course. Watching user recording during this period is valuable for conversion rate optimization. These insights show how users interact with the new variant, which can be helpful even if the test isn't conclusive. You have to make sure the tests run long enough to get conclusive results, which will help inform the next step in your conversion rate optimization process. Once the test is complete, everything should be documented, even if the test is a failure. This helps us see if our assumptions were correct. All test information should be recorded in the same document where hypotheses were prioritized and defined. This keeps a long-term record for what's happened and help ensure a solid conversion rate optimization process. Analyze and learn. After the test is done, it's time to analyze the data through quantitative and qualitative analysis.
Two key components of any successful conversion rate optimization strategy. This is where the magic happens. We compare statistics and check for reliable results, which is vital for ensuring a successful conversion rate optimization strategy. One metric may improve while another could decline, so it's important to analyze all the data. For example, if we aim to increase the conversion rates but notice a drop in average order value because customers are buying cheaper products, we need to take that into account before drawing conclusions that affect our overall conversion rate optimization efforts. Other data such as heat map and survey results can also provide critical insight for improving our conversion rate optimization. Once this analysis is complete, we can finally evaluate, was the test a success or a failure? A test that failed doesn't mean the end of the world, it just means that the hypothesis needs to be adjusted. Based on this new hypothesis, we can run iteration to improve our conversion rate optimization result. If the test was a success, we can move forward to implement the winning solution on the website. Don't forget to log the successful hypothesis for future reference. This is a crucial step in maintaining a well-documented conversion rate optimization process. One important note, monitor the post-test change once the winning variant is implemented. Even though the A/B test was successful, it's important to keep an eye on the result over time to ensure no unexpected negative impact occur. This is an often overlooked part of conversion rate optimization. While A/B tests give you valuable insights, it's important to ensure that the tests run long enough to gather reliable data. Running a test for too short can lead to misleading results. Factors like seasonality or change in user behavior can impact the data, so running tests over a sufficient period help capture more accurate picture. Regular monitoring ensure your optimization remain effective and aligned with your goal. With all the new data from the test, whether it was successful or not, you can update your ideal customer profile. New motivation or pain point may have emerged, giving us the chance to further refine our approach and take the business to the next level of conversion rate optimization. Now that we have this fresh information, we've closed the loop and are ready to start back. The result from this test, even if successful, might reveal new problem and area of improvement, making it possible to constantly optimize and grow our business through effective conversion rate optimization. You've seen our structured approach and testing and implementing can drastically improve your conversion rate. But even with a perfect design and strategy, there's one element that can make or break your test result: timing. How long should your test run? Stopping too early can give you false insight, and waiting too long might waste valuable time and resource. The next step in our conversion rate optimization journey is understanding how to get the most accurate data, and it all boils down to timing. So if you're wondering when to pull the plug on your tests or when to keep them running, I've got a video just for you. Click the link and let's dive into how long you should run your A/B test to give you the best chance of success.